Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing SureStay Plus Hotel by Best Western Billings. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are free Wi-Fi, free parking, family rooms, good fitness center, non-smoking rooms and a tea, coffee maker in all rooms. Located near Pompey's Pillar Lewis and Clark, this Montana hotel features an indoor pool and hot tub as well as laundry facilities and a gym. The comfortably furnished rooms include free Wi-Fi. Featuring a 49-inch flat-screen TV, each spacious room at the SureStay Plus Hotel by Best Western Billings is equipped with tea and coffee making facilities. Each room with attached bathroom includes a fridge and microwave. A 24-hour reception is offered at the SureStay Plus Hotel by Best Western Billings. A business center complete with fax and photocopying services is available. Featuring tigers, wolves and deer, ZooMontana is 3 miles from this hotel. Keeping history alive, Custer Battlefield, Little Bighorn Battlefield National Monument is 67 miles away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.